Hi dear students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to discuss the assessment in our textbook. In this chapter we learned about what is IPO cycle. We discussed some real life examples for IPO cycle. And we understand that the computer is also follows IPO cycle. And IPO stands for input, process, output. Similarly, computer gets data and instruction as input and CPU process the data according to the instruction and the output devices display the result. Okay dear students, now we are going to discuss the assessment in our first chapter. Dear students, now we are going to discuss the assessments in our first chapter, how computer works. The first assessment in our chapter is multiple choice question. In that, the first question is consist data and instruction. Can you say what consists data and instruction? And the choices are process, output, input and storage. Please say the answer. You are right. The input consists of data and instruction. The second question is the work done by CPU. That is the name of CPU's work. The options are process, output, input and storage. Yes, the answer is process. Now, the third question is the result obtained after processing is true. What is the answer? We have options monitor, printer, keyboard and CPU. Yes, the result is obtained after processing is through monitor. Then next question. It is used to enter data into computer. We have options monitor, printer, keyboard, CPU. Now can you tell which one is used to enter data into computer? Yes, you are right. Keyboard is used to enter data into computer. The last question in multiple choice. It is used to show the output on paper. We have options monitor, keyboard, printer, CPU. Which device is used to show output on paper? Yes, right. The answer is printer. The next assessment in our chapter is tick for the correct statement and cross for the wrong one. In the first question is, computer works with the data and instructions given by the user. True or false? Computer works with the data and instruction given by the user. Yes, it is true. So we put a tick here. The second one is, the data and instruction given to the computer are called input. Can you say it is true or false? Yes, you are right. It is true. Then the third one is, a printer processes the data. It is right? No, the CPU is process the data. So the third one is, put a cross there. Then the fourth one, a computer works on IPO cycle. True or false it is? Yes, you are right. It is true. The last one in true or false is, CPU gives the output of the data. Tick or cross? Yes, you are right. It is cross. The output is given by the output devices. Now we are moving to next assessment. That is, fill in the blanks. And we have options. That is, computer, printer, input, CPU and IPO. The first question in fill in the blanks is, a computer works by following the dash cycle. Computer works by following the, yes, IPO cycle. The second one is, the processing of instruction or data is done by the, yes, you are right. The processing is done by the CPU. Then the third question, keyboard and mouse are examples of dash devices. Can you say what it is? Yes, you are right. Keyboard and mouse are examples of input devices. Then the fourth question, a dash prints the output on a paper. Usually, who prints the output on a paper? Yes, you are right. A printer prints the output on a paper. Then, the last question in fill in the blank is, a dash works with the data given by the user. Yes, you are right. Computer works with the data given by the user. Computer is always follow the instructions given by the user. The next assessment in our textbook is, arrange the following jumbled words. And this is we already discussed. So now you check your answer. Okay. The next assessment in our textbook is, answer the following questions. Here, the first question, what is input? That is, we already discussed. The input is the data and instruction given to the computer are called input. And the second question, how do you enter data into the computer? Yes, how we enter data into computer? Yes, it is by using input devices. That is, the data entered into the computer by using input devices such as keyboard or mouse. The third question is, who processes the data in computer? Usually, the data is processed by CPU. So, the answer is the CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, processes the data in the computer. The fourth question is, from where you get the output in computer? Yes, the output are displayed by the output devices. So the answer is output is displayed by output devices such as the monitor, printer or projector. And the last question is, what is output? What is output? Output is the result after processing. So, the answer is the result got after processing is called output. So, dear students, only write these question answers in your notebook. Next activity in our textbook is find out the output, process and inputs. The first question is, what will be the output of the following IPO cycle? Output means the result obtained after processing. In first question, we have the inputs 2 and 2 and the process is addition. Then what will be the output when we adding 2 and plus 2? Yes, that is 4. Then what will be the output in second question? 5 plus 3. That is 8. In third question, 8 minus 4. Yes, that is 4. And the second question is, what type of processing is to be done to get the output? So here we have to find out the process. And we have in first question, we have input 4 and 2. And the output is 6. Then which process is get the result 6? That is, yes, plus when we adding 4 and 2, we get the output 6. In second question, the inputs are 9 and 4. And the output is 5. Then what is the process? That is, yes, subtraction. In third one, we have inputs 8 and 6 and the output is 14. Then what is the process? Yes, you are right. That is addition. In third question, fill the circle for the following IPO cycle. That is, we have to find out the inputs. In first question, we have input 2 and the process is multiplication and the output is 12. So, we need to find out the input for the process. Which number is multiplied with 2 get the result 12? Yes, that is 6. In second question, which number is subtracted from 9 get the result 6? Yes, that is 3. In third one, which number is add with 4 get the result 10? Yes, that is 6. Now we move to other activity. So here is one crossword and you need to find out the words machine, input, output, process, data, result, printer, CPU, computer and mouse. And one has been done for you. That is machine. Other words you find from this crossword. Okay dear students. So do the activities in your textbook and only write the question answers in your notebook. And please study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.